Morning YouTube. Absolute crap weather outside. Get on it. So it's raining, but when my mum works it's snowing, so yeah. Sorry the last vlog was up very late. I said I wasn't feeling too well. I'm a little bit better today, but I fell asleep before I even could stick in my AirPods, so it actually is just saving it now, so I'm hoping it works first time, because Windows Movie Maker is these days. So it's around 11:15 and I'm fucking hungry. I'm hungry.
No, see the gate weren't that wide open when I woke up. Sure it's not the wind that's blowing it open?
My dad. Recording. Do a vlog. What? One burger? Yeah. No, this is a new packet. Yeah, what do you do? Some fried chicken burger from Iceland. I'll never run out, AJ. No. No. Juice instead. Oh crap, I've got to get water in. Could be. So yeah. It's tiresome and long day, so I'm gonna try and make this thing as long as possible. My dad be going out today. And if I do you guys will know. So. Oh no. Just trying to hold you guys and open the bottle at the same time. This is the brand new one. You gotta love the brand new bottle smell of orange water. That's fucking cold. It's bloody cold. Green top. So yep, it's a cold Tyson day today. Make sure no one. What the water just leak down. Oh, just crap. Oops. This is where milk will be a lot easier. Looks my bad. So, yeah, the Lord of the Rings thing that you saw was day 8. Oh no, day 9 actually. Day 9, sorry about that. So tired. I forget what day. Yeah, day 9 we did that. We're going to probably be filming that this weekend, about Friday, something like that. So I will record it Friday or day. Yeah, so I'm gonna release something. That's gonna be a sneak peek. See how I'm playing the character Aragorn. Can I put that? Alright. This. Ooh. Right, so what I was doing, I get the ketchup out. Everything else with ketchup. So yeah. crazy rest of the moment. I'm just waiting for that to finish. And then, yeah. So yeah, all the rain, but down my mates won't play out. So this vlog, probably today, is probably gonna be me. The thing is, I'm gonna try and do a couple of game walkthroughs, but might say just stick him on this channel, but we also have another channel called CBA for Games. So I'm gonna have a chat with him about that later, and then I'll tell you on the vlog when I'm gonna start doing that. But anyways, yeah, I feel a lot better. If there's any more posts, but yeah, I already had some posts today. Oh, it's finished. See you, cat. Yeah, just about. He said, "Yeah, I'm just about to eat that." Beautiful. It's really nice. Hey everybody. I just would like to say good night because it's night time now. It's been a long day. The reason why I record that much today is because the rain prevents me from doing a lot of stuff, and like my mates don't really want to come out. We all just want to stay and keep nice and warm because it's really cold. And did go out, but the problem was I come back, I was going to record something, but I got a bit sidetracked. So yeah, we should be recording a lot more tomorrow if it's nice weather. If it's not nice weather, I'm just going to record a little bit around my house. So question of the day, I was asking favorite instrument. Yeah, favorite instrument. And practically I haven't been doing that much, but everyone at CBA for TV would like to say good night, and personally I like to say good night. So just please comment down there, subscribe up there, and rate us. Thumbs up, please. And that's all I have to say. So thanks. Good night.